Hi YouTube, how you doing? This is my 33rd video, and the title is How to Make a Man Want, Chase, and Miss You More. Yeah, okay, here we go. Believe and know you are the prize. Number one, man been chasing woman for the longest. Matter of fact, in the womb, the sperm chases the egg. Egg just sits there and wait. All right, even in the womb, the male is chasing. Men are hunters. They like to chase. They like to hunt. Don't make it easy for them. No. Be a challenge. Okay. Let him, okay, I'm sorry. Use physical contact. This is after you feel comfortable, you get to know him. Touching him. Yeah. If he has a bald head and you like for his head to be rubbed, do that every now and then. And make him feel good. Yeah, men like to feel good and be spoiled every now and then. So do it. Don't overdo it, but do it. Be a little mysterious. Yeah. Don't talk too much. Don't tell all your secrets. Just be a little mysterious. That he's always wondering about you and trying to figure you out. Let him do most of the contacting, like 80% of the time. Let him call you most of the time. Let him come see you most of the time. Yeah. It's okay for you to go visit and drive over sometime to see him, but let him do it most of the time. Yeah. Make him work for it. Make him work for you. All right. Be social. Be out there meeting other people. Yeah. Keep living your life. Don't slow down and stop because you met him. No. If you got friends and y'all go out, let's say y'all go out somewhere every Saturday and you used to doing that. Don't stop because you met him. Keep going. Yep. All right. Give him some space to miss you. Yeah, don't be up under him all the time. Give him some space to miss you. The main men that's up under a woman all the time are the ones that broke and don't have no money and don't have no job. So they the ones that can give you a lot of time because they don't have a life. Yeah. So like I said, give him some space to miss you. All right. Don't say yes all the time. That's definitely a no-no. You start learning how to say no. As simple as that. Men don't like it real easy. The only ones that like it real easy are the below average broke ones. Yeah, when you get yourself together, you get a man that has a career, that has a good, decent, makes a good, decent salary, all of that. And I will be having some videos up letting you know where you can find businessmen, where you can find entrepreneurs, men that has money. Yeah. All right. Only see him about once a week for the first 6 to 8 weeks. Stay busy. Make sure you stay busy. Yeah, you got to let them know you got a life. You know, even if you're not busy, stay busy. All right. All right. Prioritize and put yourself first. Yep. Put yourself first. Also, prioritize your health and fitness always. Go to the gym, exercise. Now, my bad habit, I goes to the gym. I'm a member of Planet Fitness. But they have a couple of massage chairs and they got two massage beds, and I'm always in that chair. Always in that chair. But it feels good because it massages your back and all, and shoulders and neck, and it just feels so good. But I will start exercising more. And my doctor said the first equipment for me to start using was the treadmill, to put it on slow and work my way up. And I am going to start doing that. All right. Raise your standards and expectations. That's right. Want more and you'll get more. As simple as that. If you want a man that got a house in a good neighborhood, don't settle for less. But make sure you also live in a good neighborhood and have a house. You gotta have just as much as him. You can't go walking in the door penniless and don't have nothing. Now you gotta have something too now. The only women that gets away with that, they gotta be beautiful, like a model. That's the only way a man with money might take a woman. If she's beautiful, she gotta be a 10. Huh. Yep. All right. Make eye contact with him frequently. Frequently. When you talk to him, make eye contact. Let him know you're listening. You're paying attention. All right. Wear clothes that flatter your figure. I'm not talking about revealing clothes that show a lot of your breasts and cleavage. No, just wear clothes that fit. I ain't talking about clothes that's tight, that fits and look good on you. Yeah. All right. Smile more at him. Let him know you like him. Smile more at him. Okay. The next one, make sure you wear a your personal perfume scent when he sees you. Yeah, get him used to that particular scent, perfume, some good perfume and all. Even if you got to pay $150 to $300 for a good bottle, get some good smelling perfume. That way, when he comes around, he's used to that scent and all. Yeah, and wear it just for him so he can get used to it. And he'll start, when he's not around you or with you, he'll start missing that perfume scent. Alrighty. Mm. Oh, be less interested and more mysterious. Like I said, be less interested and more mysterious. Yep. And another one, keep things light, fun, and carefree. Yeah, don't take things too serious at all. And another thing that I'll add on here, leave your options open. Don't settle down for one man right away. Leave your options open and date. When I say date, I mean date. I'm not talking about having relationships right away, jumping into bed with them right away. Just date and have fun, you know. And if he have a problem with that, too bad. Because you better bet it. Most of the guys, when they start talking to a woman, they leaving their options open. They talking to other women. They just ain't letting you know. So leave your options open. And no, you don't have to tell them. Just date other guys, see other guys, have fun, live your best life. As simple as that. All right, YouTube. Well, thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, then. Thank you. Bye bye.